In this video, I'll guide you through how to add your Anthropic API key in Cursor AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your key is entered correctly so you can start using Anthropic models inside Cursor without any confusion. Let's start from the main Cursor AI interface. With the app open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You should see a small gear icon which represents settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. This is where Cursor keeps all of its configuration options, including anything related to models and API keys. Once the settings panel or window opens, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see several categories here, and the one we're interested in is called Models. Click on Models to open up the section that controls which AI providers and models Cursor can use and how they connect to external services. After you've selected models, you'll see a page or panel with different model options and configuration sections. Now you want to scroll down within this model settings area. Keep scrolling until you find a section labeled API keys, Anthropic API key, or something very close to that. Cursor sometimes groups different providers together, so you might see Anthropic listed alongside other services, each with its own place to add a key. Once you locate the Anthropic API key section, click to expand it if it's collapsed. This should reveal a field where you can paste your key. Before you type anything, make sure you already have a valid Anthropic API key copied from your Anthropic account dashboard. If you haven't generated one yet, you'll need to log into your Anthropic account in your browser, create a new key there, and copy it to your clipboard. Remember to treat this key like a password. Do not share it with anyone, and don't paste it into chats, emails, or screenshots. Now, in Cursor's Anthropic API key field, carefully paste your key. It's important to paste the full key with no extra spaces at the beginning or end. If you're typing it manually, be extra careful since a single incorrect character can prevent it from working. After pasting, quickly glance over the start and end of the key to confirm it looks complete. At this point, Cursor may automatically try to verify the key, or you might see a button or indicator to confirm or save. If there's a save or apply button, click it so Cursor can store the key. Some versions will show a small success checkmark or a message that the key is valid once the verification completes. If you see any kind of error message, double check that you copied the key correctly from your Anthropic dashboard and confirm that the key has not been revoked or expired. Once the key is accepted, you're ready to use Anthropic models inside Cursor. From here, you can close the settings panel and start writing or coding as usual. When you trigger an AI action that uses Anthropic, Cursor will now rely on the key you just added. That's all there is to it. You open the settings with the gear icon, go into the Models section, scroll to the Anthropic API key area, and paste and verify your key. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll have Anthropic fully connected to Cursor AI and ready to help with your projects.